Shandong Yudong Sunshine Machine Company Limited, established in 2006 in Jinan City, which covers an area of more than 50,000 square meters, with more than 200 employees. Our main products are the CNC drilling machine, CNC punching machine for processing plates, angles, channels, flat bars and beams. Sunshine new design CNC H-beam drilling marking machine mode YSWZ700, 3 can do marking and drilling on beam size max 700*400 mm max. Length 12,000 mm max. Drilling diameter 35 mm. Machine is within feeding conveyor, drilling unit, marking unit and outfeeding conveyor. For drilling unit, there are 3 drilling spindles, 1 for web and 2 for flanges. 3 drilling spindle can drill at same time. The rotation speed 560 rounds per minute with twist drill bit.